Imrana, are you there? Okay, respected audience, I'm going to present her talk on her behalf. And the topic was, as I was telling you, Brexit, implications of Brexit, issues and challenges, Pakistan, a case in focus. And that is the brief outline of her talk. And that is the currency of the topic. First, I would like to move towards the statement of the problem. The purpose of this research is to find out what are the implications of Brexit, including issues and challenges which arise after the withdrawal of Britain from European Union, and how it may impact Pakistan. If we talk about its scope, the study will focus on the implications of Brexit, its issues and challenges which arise after the exit of UK from European Union, and explore how it may impact Pakistan, and look at the way forward to tackle the situation by proposing various measures. In Jan 2013, Prime Minister Cameron's commitment, and on 23rd June 2016, the UK referendum, A Choice of Sovereignty, Brexit is the combination of two words, BRE and exit. BRE means Britain and exit means to go away. The UK attempts to change its relationship to the Union on trade, migration, and security. The European Union compromising 27 countries, a unique union on economic and political basis. The predecessors of the European Union, European Economic Community, established in 1958 in the after effects of the WW2, World War II, aimed at fostering economic cooperation and economic interdependence, initially between six countries: Belgium, France, Germany, Luxembourg, Italy, and Netherlands. 22 joined later, a huge single market, international market. 31st Jan 2020, the Britain exited the European Union. Creation of European Union, mainly as an economic organization, evolved into a union spanning policy areas from environment, climate, and health to security and external relations, migration, and justice. Name change from EEC to the EU in 1993. Brexit, a two-pronged sword. It may change everything or it may change nothing. That is the background of the talk. 24th December 2020, UK and European Union Cooperation and Trade Agreement, 30th December 2020, ratified by the UK Parliament. Board assumptions: migration from European Economic Area to UK be minimized. Challenges for higher education of UK and academic research. That is the turning scheme. And that was the referendum. That is the result by location. What are the reasons for wanting to leave or remain? The arrangements made by the advocates for leaving centered on Wales and England, immigration and national autonomy, the supremacy of European laws over British laws, not acceptable to leave the uh, camp. Another issue was the UK's inability to stock the poor of immigrants from other countries of European Union. The loss of single market setup, lower employment, investment, and the growth. These were some implications. Widening division between UK and Scotland. Scotland is the nation to attempt to skid from the UK. 62% voted to remain in the European Union. That is a border between, that is the border between UK and Northern Ireland. These are some implications of Brexit: economic efforts, concurrence to the EEC in 1973. deregulation, monetarism, liberalism, and these are some economic effects, and these are the implications, and these are also the implications. The immigration and demographics, again the capital movements, transfers, payments, and temporary safeguard measures. Now the implications in Pakistan, possible impacts for economies of developing countries too. The pertinent question for Pakistan is how and how much it will impact, how the economy and citizens can be made immune to the experts share both views. That was the first hypothesis suggestions, and the suitable hypothesis renders foreign trade patron in Pakistan is 23 billion dollars, while the import is 50 billion dollars. That is the foreign trade. Now, moving towards the conclusion, since the referendum into 2016, many issues and challenges on economic, political, and social fronts, European Union and UK trade and cooperation agreement settled immigration, fisheries, trade traffics, to name a few. However, few areas need careful handling. And these are some recommendations. A proactive policy to identify the nature of the post-Brexit challenges facing the Pakistani economy, dynamic response mechanism, attention on the part of Pakistan's trade policymakers. Pakistani diplomats and new lobbying energy to strategize Pakistan's separate policy towards Britain and the European Union. And thank you very much. Thank you, Imrana.
Thank you, sir. Any question?
Yes, if there are any question, Imrana is there. Actually, she was unable to present her talk because of her sore throat. So I have presented her talk on her behalf. And if you are having